traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another deep explanation video. I have to cover some more candlestick pattern, and this time I'm talking about the matching low and matching high candlestick pattern. That's the all-based candlestick pattern which have gaps, yes, which are based on gaps, because when I have done this ebook and I started doing those kind of videos, the gaps were not existent in any kind of charting software from any broker like iQuick Option and so on, and I couldn't or it was not able to discuss them, yes. And so I'm discussing those candlestick patterns now, because I think it's important to know every kind of reversal candlestick pattern and every kind of continuation candlestick pattern. Also, if their frequency is not so high like those one which pin bar, doji, or something like else, but if you are looking hours and hours in front of you on a chart, you will hit those kind of candlestick patterns too, and then it's important to know them and what's happening there. So this video is based, like all other videos, yes, on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free, as you find the link in the description. I'm shocked that I see almost traders who don't know where to get my ebook. My ebook can be found or in my Facebook group, yes, in my on Facebook. You find the link in the description, or you find the ebook itself in the description, yes. Or you can contact me also if you need this ebook, and you can get a lot. You can send me an email, and you find this email on the page of the about page of the YouTube channel. So I don't know why somebody asking for the ebook. I don't know why they don't find it, yes, but I see those questions: where can I find the ebook? Yes, I don't know what's happening there, that they don't find the ebook, because I think everybody should know now, yes, where my ebook is to find. Yes, it's for free, everybody can, and it can be shared. So where's the problem? So okay, get this ebook, it's for free, and like I told you, you find it in the description, the link, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. You have to watch in the description, obviously, to find this, yes. And this ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concept, but not only for binary option turbo trading, also for Forex and digital options. And that's the reason why I'm starting doing this kind of candlestick pattern here, because soon I will start with my Forex trading stuff, and so I have to explain you some more candlestick pattern to make this more clear. So the matching low and matching high are reversal patterns, yes, and there are two bar patterns, and I will show you now how they look like and how you have to trade them. So I will get this one here. Yes, I will get this one, so it gets a little bit faster, because I want to show you this and show you also how to trade them. So all those kind of candlesticks which I'm talking about, yes, those kind of reversal pattern candlesticks, yes, you have to understand that those kind of candlesticks are mostly, yes, reversal pattern, but that means mostly not that they will reverse immediately. You have to open your eyes, yes, you have to understand the movement of the running candles to understand if the reversal is happening or it's for a continuation still. Sorry, still a continuation, because I got a question about I should do a video about the trend, yes, when the trend is stalling, and that will be the next one. Yes, I will do this. Okay, I have to close the door. 1 minute. You have this with the trend. It's so that it's the trend. I will do a video about this kind of trend stalling. Yes, how to recognize that. There will be a deep explanation video when the trend is finishing. Yes, because often, and those comments in the YouTube channel have told me that they are getting in a waterfall. Yes, that want to trade a reversal. But instead of a reversal, there was a continuation, yes. I will do this kind of video about the trend soon. I have some more videos to do, but first of all, I have to cover those kind of candlestick patterns because I need them later when I'm going to talk about other things, or also the digital option stuff and the forex stuff. So, okay, let's see. That is here. It's easy. Yes, matching high here. That is the matching high. On this side, I will do the matching high. You know. You need a good uptrend before this. Yes, you need a good uptrend, and then you get the matching high, and we have here the matching low. Matching low. Yes, you have almost always to imagine also the wicks. Yes, I do this a little bit simplified. Maybe someday I will update those things. Yes, and I will do a better drawing. But at the moment I have not the time to do this, so you have to be happy with this kind of things without wicks. Yes, so we have here support and resistance area. Yes, and the matching high looks like this. So this is one we have a strong. Important is that there is a strong trend before. Yes, that you have a strong trend, a good trend, a long trend also. Yes, and then you get this kind of pattern here. Yes, with a gap. So let me see. That is this one here, something like this. So you get a gap down. Yes, maybe this. Yes, it's okay. So I will make it in green. So, and then we get here the next candle is this one. Yes, and that shows you or immediately that there will be so let me see that there was a gap. Yes, so the gap is this one here because this is the closing price of the previous candle. Yes, so closing price starts here below. Yes, goes up again. Yes, and obviously you have to imagine also some wicks. Yes, I don't draw them now, but you have to imagine. So, and that is a reversal reversal pattern, and that is a matching high. Sorry, that is a matching high. Yes, and you trade them mostly so that you wait for a rejection or from the support and resistance area, depending where it is. If the support and resistance area is here, maybe, yes, something like this or so, yes, you trade it from there, or you trade in this kind of pattern here from the rejection from this level on the next candle, yes, or from the wicks where they should be, yes, and then you enter into a put. Yes, because that is a reversal pattern. Yes, we have here a gap down. Yes, that's the reason why I copied this. We have here a gap down. So this is the area of a gap down. Let me show you this. So here, this is a gap down from here to here. Yes, let me show. So this is a gap down, and you see it's easy. Yes, it's not any complicated stuff. Yes, if you see two green candles on the same, finishing on the same high here, yes, with a gap down, yes, and then closing green, yes, then you know that is a matching high, yes, and then you can go, or you can expect a reversal happening soon, yes, or immediately on the next candle, yes. That is so here the rejection from this level, and then you enter into a put, or from this level here, yes, rejection from the support and resistance area. So this is a matching high, yes, not really complicated. It's after a long downtrend, yes, the price of the candle closed on the same level, yes, and then the next one goes to the same level and they stop there too, yes, and that is so. Yes, and that is already the the matching high. Let me see. Yes, I will do this. So yes, and you see it's not complicated. It's not difficult to understand. Yes, that are those ones which are based on gaps. You see how important gaps can be. I have shown you that gaps are acting mostly as a support and resistance area. Yes, but they can act also as a continuation. If you have a continuation gap, yes, and in this kind of thing is a reversal here happening, that should be this gap down maybe is something like a to see that price will fill it out, yes, and that is the last attempt. It's something like exhaustion candle in this case. You have to understand that this is something like exhaustion candle, yes, because that is the last attempt of the buyers to get into the market. They are not anymore able to do this, yes, and then the price will reverse here at this point, yes, and then starts this kind of scenario which I have explained here. Let me see. Okay, I have to show you later, else I don't find this kind of stuff here. So let me draw this fast so I can show you this, because all those kind of things which I'm showing you here are important if you are doing those kind of high probability trading setups which are based on continuation, which I have shown you. So okay, let me see. We have here so then we have here gap up. I will remove this here from this area because it's disturbing at the moment. So, and then this is okay here. This will be removed here too. So, and this one too. So, and I will try to publish this ebook, the 5th edition of this ebook, after I have done the last important candlestick patterns. Yes. So we have here another red one, which closed at the same level as the previous one. Yes. That is a characteristic, yes, a criteria for this kind of pattern. Yes, it's something like here, like a piercing pattern, yes, but only that the previous candle is the same color, yes, that is important. It's the same thing like a piercing pattern, or here like a dark cloud cover, only that the color is the same, yes, which shows the last attempt of the sellers in this case by matching low, and the last attempt of the buyers on the matching high. Yes, that's it. So let me see here. This is the area of the gap. We have here a gap up. Yes, because you have to understand that price gaps up, and then after this candle goes down. Yes, and that is what's about. So, and after this you can expect a reversal, and that is what I'm showing you here. Let me see. Okay, I will do this here, in this case here. So yes, so you understand, or you do wait for a rejection from the support and resistance area. Yes, because you have to imagine that those kind of scenarios happens mostly on support and resistance area, because there stepping in the buyers, or there will step in the sellers. Yes, that is what the psychology is behind. Yes, because there would be maybe not a reversal, yes, coming up if there would be no support and resistance area, and that is what I'm explaining you. This kind of reversal pattern which I'm showing you here, yes, are almost important for this kind of stuff which I have shown you here. Let me see. Where do we have this? This kind of stuff here, yes, this one here, yes. If you have a matching high here at this level, yes, then you have already a good potential downtrend coming. Yes, if you have a matching low here at this level, you have a good uptrend coming. That is the same thing like engulfing candle, double top, and all meeting lines, yes, counter attack lines, all those kind of reversal pattern at this key level here, yes, like this or this, yes, are the initial of a good establishing trend. But you have to have a trend already before, yes, because if they appear without any kind of trend before, they are not valid. Yes, it's that then you are mostly in a consolidation area or something like this. Yes, and that is not what should be. So I think this candlestick is clear. I have explained you how it looks like. Yes, you have to imagine that there would be also wicks. I can do some wicks here, so only to make it a little bit more realistic to you, yes. But if I have to do wicks here, I have to do wicks everywhere, yes. But you have to imagine that we have here wicks below, yes, not above. And here we have the wicks above, yes. And that is already the first sign that here are buyers coming in, and here the coming in sellers, yes. If you have wicks below, yes, because that shows you that sellers try to push the price down, weren't able, but they are there, yes, they are waiting there. So, okay, I think that it's important. I have explained this to you. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section, like always, or join the Facebook group, and join the Facebook group. Yes, so I would say stay safe and bye-bye.